Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our YouTube channel Physics Tag. Today we will discuss about numerical problems of chapter number 10, Simple Harmonic Motion and Waves. Okay, let's start. Numerical 10.1. The time period of simple pendulum is 2 seconds. What will be its length on Earth? And what will be its length on the moon if gm is equal to g by 6, okay, where ge is equal to 10 meter per second square. Data time period represented by capital T is equal to 2 seconds. Gravity on Earth Ge is equal to 10 meter per second square. Gravity on Moon Gm is equal to 10 divided by 6, that is equal to 1.6 meter per second square. What we have to find out? We have to find out length on Earth and length on Moon. Okay, solution. We know that time period of simple pendulum is equal to T is equal to 2 pi under root L over G. Here in subscript we will mention that TE, that will represent the time period on Earth. So by taking square on both sides we have T square is equal to 4 pi square LE over GE. By rearranging we have the expression for LE. LE is equal to T square GE over 4 pi square. By putting the values, we find out the value of simple pendulum on Earth. The length of simple pendulum on Earth is 1.02 meter. Similarly, we will use the same formula, but we will mention Tm in the subscript for the purpose of the time period on Moon. So by taking square and rearranging, we have expression Lm, that will represent the length on Moon, is equal to T square Gm over 4 pi square. By putting the values, we have 0.17 meter as the length on Moon. Okay, next numerical 10.2. A pendulum of length 0.99 meter is taken to Moon by an astronaut. The period of pendulum is 4.9 seconds. What is the value of G on the surface of Moon? Data length on Moon is equal to Lm is equal to 0.99 meter. Time period of Moon is equal to 4.9 seconds. What we have to find out? The gravity on Moon. Okay, solution. We know that time period is equal to 2 pi under root L over G. Here, by squaring on both sides and rearranging, we have T square is equal to 4 pi square Lm over Gm. M represent here for the length and gravity on Moon. So, Gm will be equal to 4 pi square Lm over T square. By putting the value, we have the value of Gm. The gravity on Moon is 1.63 meter per second square. Numerical 10.3. Find the time period of simple pendulum of 1 meter length placed on the Earth and on Moon. The value of G on the surface of Moon is 1 by 6 of its value on Earth when Ge is equal to 10 meter per second square. Okay, data length is 1 meter, gravity on Earth is 10 meter per second square, gravity on Moon is Ge by 6, that will be equal to 1.6 meter per second square. Okay, to find, we have to find out the time period on Earth, the time period on Moon. Solution, we know that time period is equal to 2 pi under root L over G. By putting the values, we have 1.98. By rounding it, we have Te is equal to 2 seconds. We round off the previous value. Okay. Also, we know that Tm, that represent the time period on the Moon, is equal to 2 pi under root Lm over Gm. Here, by putting the values, we have the time period on Moon is 4.9 seconds. Numerical 10.4. A simple pendulum completes one vibration in 2 seconds. Calculate its length when g is equal to 10 meter per second square. Data. Time period t is equal to 2 seconds. Gravitational acceleration g is 10 meter per second square. What we have to find out? We have to find out the length. Okay, solution. We know that t is equal to 2 pi under root L over g. By taking square on the both sides, t square is equal to 4 pi square L over g. By rearranging, we have L is equal to t square g over 4 pi square. By putting the values, we have the final answer 1.02 meter. The length of pendulum is 1.02 meter. Numerical 10.5. If 100 waves pass through a point of medium in 20 seconds, what is the frequency and the time period of the wave? If the wavelength is 6 cm, calculate the wave speed. Data. Number of waves n is 100. Time period. Time t is 20 seconds. Here is the simple time, not a time period. Wavelength lambda is equal to 6 cm. First of all, we will convert into the standard SI unit meter. 6 divided by 100 is equal to 0.06 meter. Now, what we have to find out? We have to calculate the frequency f, time period capital T, speed v. Solution. We know that f is equal to n over t. Here n is the number of waves and t is the time. So frequency is 100 by 20 will be equal to 5 Hz. Also we know that t is equal to 1 by f. By putting the values, we have time period 0.2 second. Also v is equal to f lambda. F is 5 and lambda has the value 0.06 meter. By putting the values, we have the speed 0.3 meter per second. Numerical 10.6. A wooden bar vibrating into the water surface in a ripple tank has frequency of 12 Hz. The resulting waves have the wavelength of 3 cm. What is the speed of wave? Data. Frequency f is 12 Hz. Wavelength lambda is 3 cm. Again, we will convert into the meter. 3 divided by 100 will be equal to 0.03 meter. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate the speed. Okay. Solution. We know that v is equal to f lambda. F is 12 Hz and lambda is 0.03 meter. By multiplying this, we have 0.36 meter per second. The speed of wave is 0.36 meter per second. Numerical 10.7. A transverse waves produced on a spring has frequency of 190 Hz and travel along the length of spring of 90 meter in 0.5 second. A. What is the speed of wave? B. What is the speed of wave? And C. What is the wavelength of wave? We have to calculate the period of wave, speed of wave and wavelength of the wave. Data. Frequency f is 190 Hz, time t 0.5 second and distance t 90 meter. Okay. What we have to calculate? Time period t, speed v and wavelength lambda. Solution. We know that t is equal to 1 by f. Time period is the reciprocal of frequency. 1 by 190 is equal to 0.005 second. We will round off it and we have the value 0.01 second. Also we know that d is equal to v into t. Basically distance is equal to speed into time. So by rearranging we have v is equal to 90 by 0.5 and we have the value of speed 180 meter per second. Also v is equal to f lambda. Here by rearranging we can calculate the value of wavelength lambda. that lambda is equal to V by F. By putting the value, we have the value of wavelength is 0.95 meter. Numerical 10.8. Water waves in a shallow dish are 6 cm long. At one point, the water moves up and down at the rate of 4.8 oscillations per second. What is the speed of water waves? What is the period of water waves? Data. Wavelength lambda is equal to 6 cm is equal to 6 by 100, which is equal to 0.06 meter. We convert centimeter into meter. Frequency 4.8 Hz. What we have to calculate? Speed and time period. Solution. We know that V is equal to F lambda. F is 4.8 and lambda is equal to 0.06. The speed is 0.29 meter per second. We know that T is equal to 1 by F. 1 divided by 4.8 will be equal to 0.21 second. Time period is 0.21 second and speed is 0.29 meter per second. 10.9. At one end of the ripple tank 80 cm across, a 5 Hz vibrator produces a wave whose wavelength is 40 mm. Find the time the waves needs to cross the tank. Data. Frequency 5 Hz, wavelength lambda 40 mm. We convert into meter. 40 divided by 1000 will be equal to 0.04 meter. Distance T 80 cm. We will convert into meter. 80 divided by 100 will be equal to 0.8 meter. Time. We have to calculate it, that is to find. Solution. We know that V is equal to F lambda. F is 5 and lambda is 0.04. So speed is 0.2 meter per second. Also we know that V is equal to d by t. Speed is equal to basically distance divided by time. By rearranging we have t is equal to d by v. D is 0.8 and V is 0.2. So time is 4 seconds. 4 seconds is the required time. Numerical 10.10. What is the wavelength of radio waves transmitted by an FM station at 90 MHz, where 1 MHz is equal to 10 to raise power 6 and speed of radio wave is 3 into 10 to raise power meter 8 meter per second. Data. Frequency F is 90 MHz, 90 into 10 raised power 6 Hz. Speed V is 3 into 10 raised power 8 meter per second. Speed is V is equal to 3 into 10 raised power 8 meter per second. Frequency is 90 into 10 raised power 6 Hz. Okay, what we have to find out? We have to calculate the wavelength. Solution. We know that V is equal to F lambda. By rearranging we have lambda is equal to V by F. So V is equal to 3 into 10 raised power 8 and F is 90 into 10 raised power 6. So lambda is 3.33 meter. The wavelength is 3.33 meter. Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Stay at home. Allah Hafiz. Jazakallah.